Hey there, curious minds. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of genetic variation. Sounds fancy, right? Well, it's actually all about why you look different from your classmates, even though you're all humans. Intrigued? Let's unravel this mystery together. First off, let's talk about variation within a species. Think of horses and donkeys. They look pretty different, don't they? But even within horses or within donkeys, you'll notice differences among individuals. That's what we call variation. It's the reason you're unique, even though you're the same species as your mates. Now let's zoom in on DNA, the star of our story. Picture this. A goat starts life when a sperm cell meets an egg cell. Both these cells carry chromosomes which are packed with genes, and these genes are made of DNA. Mind-blowing, right? All goat sperm and egg cells have genes that influence horn development. Some genes might create long horns, short horns, or no horns at all. The magic happens because there are different versions of these genes. Each version has slightly different DNA, which leads to different traits. When a sperm cell and an egg cell join forces, they form a zygote with a new, unique combination of DNA. This combo isn't a carbon copy of its parents or its siblings. This is what we call genetic differences. And genetic just means related to genes. Take a look at your own family, though. You might see similarities between you, your parents, and your grandparents. That's because you share some of the same DNA. But, and here's the kicker, each family member has a slightly different mix of DNA. These are genetic differences in action. But hold on a minute, DNA isn't the only player here. The environment also plays a crucial role in variation. Let's go back to our goats. Imagine two adult goats with different coat colors. Say, the coat color is determined by their DNA. But what about their size? One goat might eat more than the other and grow fatter. This isn't because of its genes, it's because of its environment. So, not all variation within a species is due to DNA differences. The environment can shape traits too. It's a beautiful dance between nature and nurture. So next time you wonder why you're different from your friends, remember, it's all thanks to the incredible interplay of your unique DNA and your environment. Pretty cool, huh? That's all for today, folks. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. Until next time,